we've received calls from people who work with their vacuum, their cleaning business, they clean job sites, and they say, my vacuum just died and I need it today. I need to get it fixed. I'm going to work. I got a job. I got people waiting on me. I got employees waiting for their vacuums. You want to avoid those problems? You get yourself a Henry Nacecare PPR240. Why? What's the whole point of the Henry 240? The PPR 240 is very, very popular. As a matter of fact, if you haven't seen one of these up to today, you're going to start seeing them everywhere. Trust me, watch and see. Now, the reason why is because they are powerful, they are reliable, they are quiet, they are simple. What does that mean? There is an on and off switch and a motor. That's all the electronics that's on the machine. Well, how about the cord? The cord is a 33-foot long commercial cord that's manually rewinded. There's no electronics for it to go wrong. Well, how about the electronics here? It's just a switch. It's an on and off switch. How simple can it get? And the motor is a 620 watt motor that can do up to 6,000 square feet an hour.
85 parts work in unison to generate maximum suction. A bag that lets in the air, but locks away the dust. A steel propeller that spins faster than a power drill to suck in 500 gallons of air a minute. A super efficient motor that uses less than half the power of a hairdryer. It's a dust-hungry beast that's designed to last.
Now all of that, plus the fact that it's made in the UK. They've been in business since late 60s. They've sold over 10 million Henry vacuum cleaners worldwide. This just doesn't end. Now, all of that with the fact that they give you a vacuum that can take abuse. Because you know what? Most people who use this vacuum don't do it for the love of vacuuming, right? They do it at a site. It's a retail store, it's a restaurant, it's a hotel, it's a motel, it's a school, it's a daycare, it's a construction cleanup job. They do this for the sake of doing the job, not because they are in love with vacuuming. So they need to get something that is reliable, good filtration, so the dust doesn't come out. That means people are sitting around. You can, I just told you, you could vacuum while people are sitting around. HEPA flow bag, Tritex filter, protects the motor and makes sure none of the dust comes out of the vacuum. And I can throw it around pretty much anywhere you want. Now, this is not part of the job description, but if they did want to do this because, you know, people like to have fun at work, it's okay, it's fine, it'll do it, it'll take care of it. It is a durable machine. Bags are 6-liter capacity. That's huge. Most commercial canisters are around 3 to 5. You could use it as a bagless machine. Also, 10-liter bucket. If you don't know where this goes, there we are. And all I have to do is this. And I've changed the bag. Now this is the machine itself, and that's great. But then what about this? Well, this screws onto the body, all right? So that means I, again, with employees that like to have a little too much fun at work, could do this. And we're okay. It's a tough cookie. These are what we call friction fit. What does that mean? Twist and push, and this thing literally welds itself. It's a stainless steel one with an adjustable little telescopic wind. And It's crush proof. So I can do this. You know, all these people have too much fun at work. I can do this if I wanted to. Okay? Again, don't do it, but you could. Comes with a combo tool. That's a very universal, very popular attachment. The reason for that, it'll do both bare floors, ceramic, laminate, whatever, hardwood, and commercial carpets without you having to change that attachment. All you do is press on this, bristles come out, you do the bare floors, press on it, bristles go in, you do the carpets. No changing attachments. This is a dry vacuum cleaner. No picking up liquid or water. This baby does. Let's do some on carpets. There's a reason I'm doing this. And some on bare floors. One of the reasons I'm doing that is because these things have edge-to-edge cleaning. That means you're not hitting this against corners and baseboards trying to get the corners cleaned. It just means it's faster. It means less downtime. And let's see. Ah, you see, before I even get to the dirt, it's picking it up. And we're good. Done. Bare floors, edge to edge cleaning, best way possible. I could show this to you. Oh, look, I missed some. No, I didn't. You need to go under desks and, I don't know, pews at a church or chairs in a restaurant. No problem. It'll take care of it. I wish there was a lot more that I could show you when it comes to the Henry Nacecare PPR240. But the point was that it's such a simple machine and durable and reliable that there isn't really much fancy features for me to go over. So again, if you're looking for something reliable, quiet, powerful, for any dry application in a commercial setting where it's good filtration, and it has no downturn, the pneumatic Nacecare PPR240 is going to be your absolute best friend. If you have any questions, 1-877-220-5656. Keep in mind, we ship these free of charge to all Canadian provinces. We are a warranty center for Nacecare and pneumatic. Chat with us online or send an email. Thank you.